be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Test of the signal and receiver's performance are normally conducted between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there had been a threat of severe weather, the test would have been postponed until the next available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter and occur even when you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings. For station WXJ21, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz, the warning alarm will be activated for the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Newberry, Oconee, Pickens, Spartanburg, and Union. And in North Carolina, Polk and Rutherford. This concludes the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Torn Alert Test.